Alright, it's been ages, guys. Sorry. I don't know if you guys remember it. Here's the little 97 Chevy pickup. Came in because it had a crease down the door. Right here. So we repaired that area and we did a blend onto the fender. And then the owner brought us in a new grille and a new front bumper and we repainted all that. So I think it turned out pretty good. It was just in here today. It was putting all the grille and the bumper on it. Put the mirror back on it. Very nice.
Tell us where you're listening from and maybe make a request or just say hello.
That's what's going on with that old girl.
Let us know what you're listening to.
Look at the shine on that, eh? And that's just painted like last week. I think today's Tuesday, not even a week ago, like 5 days ago painted. And then we got the Buick up here. What's going on with that is we've gotten all the, Mike has got all the rear bumper on, taillights in. I don't know if you can see, it's up on the left here, but rear bumper, taillights. He's made the Lexan windows in the back stationary. Did a really good job on those. Why is my camera not zooming in? Who knows? Alright. Utilizing the factory rubbers and seals. They don't move. They're really nice. So the only real gloss in this car is the door glass. But it's a street car and the guy wanted to keep those so he could roll them up and down. So that is what is happening there. Okay, and there's that nice little Chevy pickup. The Ford pickup is off for wiring tomorrow finally. So, and then it will come back here because we still got to sand it down, flat clear it, and put the windows in it. And we still got some rust repair to do behind the grill here. But for right now, it's going down for all the wiring. So everything's pretty much tidy and neat and looking good. Yeah. Nice little, gonna be a nice little patina truck. Gotta empty the rest of these parts out of it tomorrow before it goes down. Yeah, the owner is leaving it like this. With that being said, Sean is over here. Kathy's truck, steering column. I took it in 2 weeks from yesterday. Of course, we had a long weekend, so I did phone them today. They said they've got it apart. They got it apart, and they got to figure out what they're going to do for parts for it, because you can't really get parts for it. So whether they're going to machine something up or look for something used, I don't know. But at least it's apart, and I said, like, you know, I'm not trying to push them, but I said, you know, the owner would like to get it as soon as possible. But right now, I'm just the guy in the middle. There's nothing I can do about it. Absolutely nothing. The Suburban, Sean is getting, I think he's in here spraying some of the base. I believe so. It's already done in here. Oh, he's done. Pieces there. Hinges. Ashtray. Hey? That's how it's done.
Well, you can't say George ain't got nothing to do. He doesn't have to do anything.
Well, we'll try. Well, we know he'll do this because he's doing the hood. This is right out in the open.
The only thing with this is you got to lift it up afterwards and get in.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This, if he does it, this is the side that shows.
Okay.
So base is on the other side already.
Okay.
And then this side needs to be cleared.
Yeah.
And then I'll flip it over to the other side, right? Another day.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay.
You can do whatever you want.
Good enough. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So everything is base underneath. You can't see. Don't want to get overspray on it, but it's all base, and that's the Suburban. We'll show you the rims for the Suburban. You're probably wondering about the 57 here. Well, all the doors are over the paint booth doors, trunk hood. They've all been painted on the inside. I did post pictures. And this is getting painted in like a week and a half. So it's going to be coming in next week and going to start on that. Here's actually here, you can see, here's the doors here for the Suburban. And yes, I ended up getting a full new quarter panel for the driver's side of this car. Passenger side came with one, driver's side not so much, so I just bought the whole thing. So pretty good there. Anyway, there's the doors. There's the color he went. It's a Toyota. It's a newer Toyota color. I forget what they call it. Sandstone or some, I don't know. Don't listen to me because I'm probably wrong. But that's what he's going with a Mercedes-Benz white on the roof. And these are all painted on the back side. All of them are sprayed up. Even his rims. Look at these rims. 20-inch rims. Yeah, this guy likes big tires. And he had us do them. I don't know if you can see that. He had them do us to the outside. We did a white. And then center we did all the beige. And then he's running a stock hubcap on it. A dog dish hubcap. So that's his rims and tires. And then we got the Firebird here. The other quarters on. Sean just did a quick roughing of just where the welds were only. Quarters, all these panels you buy are never straight. Remember that. They're never straight. So, I mean, he didn't do anything here. He just roughed it in. That's it. What's left is Mike's got to do the trunk pan area, which it is here. I believe it's in this box right here. He's got to do that next. Put that in. Then I'll get in here, clean up, undercoat it, texture spray it all, and then the owner asked us just to quickly spray some red on here. He said just sand it, spray some red. We're going to spray the trunk lid to match just so it looks decent. Well, he's going to do some mechanical work to it, and then he'll bring it back maybe in the fall. Maybe we'll paint the whole car. I mean, the whole car does need a paint job. You're going to have to address it. So, but at least he'll have no rust. He's got new floors. He'll have a new trunk pan. He got new outer wheel tubs. He's got new full quarters. Good solid car now. Good start for somebody. And then the yellow Chevy pickup. Just got everything moved around here today right now. Power steering's all hooked up, working great. Tilt column in it, just waiting on the steering wheel. Needed a new brake hose. Need the wheel pairings repacked. Waiting for some e-brake cables. Got the wrong cables in there, so got to get those. They're on the way at some point. And then this little T-bucket. I don't know if you guys remember, a couple years ago, Mike. A customer brought all these pieces in, and Mike made this little T-bucket come together for the guy. And that guy brought it back to us now, and he's got this box kind of cut down. He wants us to fit this box and make all this kind of work, however we think it's going to work. So that's kind of cool. So a little T-bucket, be starting on that. Be starting on that here next week. Got a few things on the go. Lots on the go. What else is happening? Loaded up for the dump, the annual every 2 weeks dump run. I don't know how that goes, right? Let's see, what else can I show you guys that has happened here? I don't know. I think that's pretty much it. I know it's been a couple weeks, but you know, sorry. Sometimes you get behind with things. It's just I've been doing. You know, I went down to Monroe swap meet. Checked that out with my buddy Dan. We went down there for the night, and you know, it was okay. It was a good swap meet. It wasn't 100% full because it was raining down there, but it didn't rain. We were lucky. We didn't have to go through any of the rain. The rain started when we were leaving, so that was a nice thing. So I haven't even worked on the shoebox over there. She's just sitting over there. Haven't even touched her. If it wasn't, you know, was doing that and doing this and you know, then that was a long weekend just now, Monroe swap meet. Then I came home and. You know, then I still had a couple days off and I didn't feel like working on anything, so I didn't work on anything and didn't even work on my bar. And then this weekend I'm gone camping, and then next weekend is our swap meet at the Tradex, the coastal swap meet, so I got that going on. And then the following weekend I'm camping again. Yeah, just never here. Anyway, I did start cleaning the office up. I changed things around, moved out up front, put seating on the back. Like I say, started tidying up. No, you're not going in my bar yet, because my bar I've gotten behind because I'm not working on it. But yeah, started just cleaning up in here and doing things. There's a million things on the go for me. Honestly, I could retire today, and I bet you if I retired today, I would probably keep myself occupied with stuff for the next year that just needs to be done. And I don't mean just building my own personal cars, just stuff in general that I need to do around here. Still stuff on the house that needs to be done and all sorts of shit. It just never ends. It's all time and money. But that's okay, because that's what makes life exciting, right? Always got something to look forward to do, because that's what gets you out of bed in the morning. So there you go. So yeah, so sorry I haven't been around, but I'm here. I am here. I'm here working. So hey, it's always a good time at old time. Catch you later.